Hello everyone, welcome back to Rebikit Foods, a channel dealing with recipes and travel and events vlog. So guys, this channel also prepares traditional and modern recipes, and guys, I'm just back with this recipe. Now before that, please, if at all you are new to this channel, subscribe to Rebikit Foods, and thank you so much for the returning subscribers and my normal viewers. Thank you so much for choosing Rebikit. So guys, today the crepes that I'm going to do is all about the stripe beautiful looking crepes, and also tasty guys. So just let's tune together and cook. As usual, what I'm going to use here, I have some sugar to taste, some salt, I have vegetable cooking oil, I have all-purpose flour, I have milk, I have some 2 eggs here, and vanilla essence. So guys, I'll just start by adding in my all-purpose flour, a pinch of salt, then 2 tablespoons of sugar, then my eggs, add my milk, little water. Remember, the scrape has to be very light, and I'll just add some little oil. If you have butter, butter can do, just a little bit of that, and then that's all. So I forgot to just remind you that I'm going to make some the striped crepes. So in that case, I also have some chocolate here that I'm going to use to make them. So just guys keep tuned, and I'll add some vanilla essence to it. You can see my dough is not so heavy. Well to go. Oil to my pan, just as usual. This is the chocolate that I had, guys. So I just want to make some stripe here. With the stripe, you wait till at least it cooks a bit before you add in. So this has banana flavor. I've used banana flavor and vanilla. So this is it has a very nice smell. So I'll continue the same way. Make sure you spread everything. So guys, you just add some chocolate to it in stripe. It's only that whatever I'm using to the pipe, my pipe is not so that thin, but if you make a nice pipe, it comes out well. So keep tuned. My crepes, pancake crepes, they're so nice. They're looking so yummy. Though the pipe wasn't that well, but still, I've done another one in this video. You can see, you'd see. Now, the difference between that one and this one, guys, this one have got some other flavors. I have banana flavor. That's why you can see the color. And I also have some chocolate. So let me just serve it. One thing with this crepe is that it's that type that doesn't break. Even if you squeeze it, it doesn't break. Guys, it will always remain the way it is. So keep tuned. When you're serving them, just place them this way. They are so soft. Very, very soft. How? The aroma, guys, the flavor, that flavor of banana, it's making it look so. Look at my crepes. So nice, guys. You can see how you can serve them. It's when you're folding them and they're so soft, and it's good to have them when they are hot. So you just roll like this, then you serve. See how beautiful they look. This is good for breakfast, especially now when the kids are at home, back at home for holidays. They love, 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 love this. A channel which is full of creativities, of amazing recipes, delicacies. So guys, please view this video, watch it until the end, like, share this, and remember to subscribe if at all you have not subscribed. So guys, I just want to show you this. You can see this. So this crepe has got 3 amazing flavors. Flavor of the chocolate, it has the flavor of the chocolate, it has the flavor of banana and also vanilla essence. So see, even if you fold it, it will still come back to, doesn't break. So this, guys, this is how we make crepes. So thank you for watching this video. Give my video a thumbs up. Bye bye.